Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and like an artist is nothing without their brushes, so a woman putting on makeup is nothing without theirs. And these Eco Tools brush set is such a good find. And because they are made with high quality recycled material, I have found very little issues with my face after these. They are really, really nice. I appreciate that it comes with very few brushes. Sometimes I've seen certain brush sets, there's so many options, and since I'm not huge into putting on makeup, I feel like, what are all of these brushes for? What are they supposed to do? I don't get confused with this many options, which I appreciate. They are so nice. They really get the job done. One of the things that I really was excited to get was this little tin that they come in, because they really don't want to create a lot of paper waste. So they used a tin that you could either use to store your brushes, or if you already have a place for them, you can now use this if you are someone who loves organizing like myself. You can use it to store a variety of things. So you get not only brushes, but also a little organization container at the same time to boot. So if you enjoy putting on makeup, but don't necessarily like the plethora of options of brushes that are out there, this is a really, really good set. Also, if you have sensitive skin, it's something that's helped me. Maybe it's something that can help you as well if that's something you're struggling with. These are just a really nice, high quality, but good value item to add to your vanity station. And that's my point of view.